Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company, Hopwood, South Birmingham. Don't really need to say too much about this vehicle, it speaks for itself. One owner from new, 48,000 miles, 12 services, cam belt and water pump done at 42,000 miles, and HALDEX oil, gearbox oil and diff oil done at 44,000 miles. One owner from new. Got satellite navigation, which wasn't standard, and it's automatic. Tiguan 2 litre TDI, DSG, NIMBUS grey metallic, so 2 litre diesel auto 4-wheel drive. NIMBUS grey metallic, love this colour, was an optional extra. 48,000 miles, £9,595, one owner on a 2012 plate, 2 keys, rear park sensors, privacy glass, aluminium roof rails, lovely alloy wheels, shod in Pirelli Scorpion tyres with lots of tread. Front park sensors, front fog lamps, daytime running lights, nice aluminium roof rails. Got the PANDU cloth, black inside, cloth seats, fitted VW mats, multifunction steering wheel, 48,431 miles, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, climate control, front and rear park, self-parking assistant, electric handbrake with hill hold assist, obviously in a beautiful condition. Parcel shelves in there, it's got the picnic tables that fold out on the backs of the front seats, space saver spare wheel, just low mileage, beautiful car. 12 services, one owner from new, and can't you tell, it is spotless. Lock and wheel nut keys there, warning triangle, spare wheel, jack, toolkit, wheel brace, all present and correct. Everything's there that you can wish for. Stunning colour, 4 Pirelli Scorpion tyres with loads of tread. Lovely paintwork. Another Pirelli Scorpion. New brake caliper on the front there by the looks. Not stone chipped. Electric windows, electric mirrors, heated mirrors. Automatic lights. Leather multifunction steering wheel, as I say, 48,000 miles. Satellite navigation. Bluetooth, freezing cold air conditioning and climate control, automatic gearbox with self-parking assistant, electronic handbrake, immaculate. No wear anywhere. £9,595. One owner from new, super low miles, mega service, nice spec, beautiful condition. 9595. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with more than 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock, and you will then be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.